This is a video chart presentation of Baja Mining Corp brought to you by All Penny Stocks. Baja trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange under ticker BAJ. Mining stocks, of course, most stocks in general have been getting beaten up lately with the markets all pulling back, but Baja's actually hung in there pretty well, holding a support level right around $1. See, we're getting a little bit of an uptrend going on with the MACD histogram. Overall in a downtrend, but looks like there's a possibility of a bullish cross of the signal line. Similar look to the PPO, giving hints of flatlining and bouncing off the signal lines. It's something to pay attention to. Holding that support level, which we'll come back to in a moment, is going to be key to the chart. But a pretty nice reversal position overall with the ADX. ADX is definitely gathering some steam, so we're going to want to pay attention to these DIs and see if this positive DI is going to snap upward and want to see this negative DI continue downward. We want to see some bullish crosses of the DIs and reversal of their positioning. MFI show that some money's trying to come back into this stock. Accumulation distribution's making a slightly lower low, but looks like it's trying to find a bottom and channel. Again, we can see we're getting a little bit of turn right there. It's a bit of a concern because we want to see this continue to push north and try and take out the top side of this channel. So it looks like it's trying to make a reversal, but still giving hints that it may not. I do like that tied in with this shaky money flow, which is difficult to draw this point because it hasn't made a valley yet. But overall, it looks like it's trying to get an uptrend. Very little time it's spent where buying pressure has been overcoming selling pressure. It's going to be very early in making a move. CCI trying to hold above negative 100. Full stow shows there is a little bit of momentum coming into this. Broke through 20. Still hasn't made it out of bear chart territory, but looks like it's trying to reverse. Tricks, of course, the lagging indicator. We're going to want to see this try and hold somewhere in this area. Like with so many of the other indicators, we don't want to see this making lower lows and putting together a long-term downtrend. We want to see us try and turn, hold a channel aspect, start trending back towards zero. RSIs are going to need to try and break through 50. You see bounced off of it. Turned sideways even yesterday. Need to get back to the bull side of the chart. But what I do like about this is a 200-day moving average coming in to try and give it some support and establishing a support level at $1 as well, just above that. See the 200 days at 96.1. If it does fall through this support and breaks through this 200-day, it could be in a bit of trouble because there's not much real support until it gets all the way down here near 88 cents. So it ultimately has to hold this $1. At worst case scenario, close above 96. This could be in a bit of trouble. But I like these little rounded bottoms that it's making. It's still in a channel somewhere through there. So if it does fall through this support, there's a chance it's going to come down here, hit this bottom line. It's going to tie in somewhere near this support level, and it might continue this downward channel. But for the time being, I want to see it hold this, see if it's going to hold this $1 support, keep this 200-day trending upward, then try and make a move back above this 50-day. And the chart could try and turn pretty bullish. Let me get some of those lines out of the way. There's a fair amount of resistance coming at it, all secondary. There's going to be some there at $1.05. It's going to be a little bit more stout right here through this $1.07 to $1.09 area. 50-day moving average comes into play. Was a pretty solid support level through here. Just a hair above it was resistance before. Resistance right through here. That area is going to be pretty tough. If it can make a break and hold above this $1.09, it's going to meet some more right there at this $1.17 level. And that area is going to be the key to this chart to putting together an overall reversal of trend. It can come down through here, start to iron out a bottom, make a break back above the 50-day, go up and test this $1.17 and close above it. We're going to see it starting to make a very long, rounded out bottom. Holding above that, longer term goals would be to come through and challenge this $1.39 area. So that's where the next real resistance is going to come into play. Obviously, it's a pretty nice climb from where it is today. You don't look for that tomorrow or anything. Everything starts with baby steps. Those baby steps are holding this support level, moving through this first resistance and going up here and challenging this next resistance around $1.17. Volume is pretty good on this stock. 766,000 shares traded. It's plenty of liquidity. You can see it's actually a little bit of a down day. So we'll look for volume to start to increase. And this to try and roll off the bottom and start to make a move upward. Again, if it can't hold this support, look for possibilities of it dropping all the way down to here. As always, merely my interpretation of the Baja Mining Corp chart. I am not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence, consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. Do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.